Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are playing some Minecraft 4. So, link to the game in the description, and let's get started. Okay, continue. Okay. Oh yeah, I was doing a bit of mining off camera, because so the story is, so I was recording like right now, and I went over my limit for how long I'm normally recording for, which is 15 minutes, so I went a minute over 15, so yeah, so that's how I have all this money and loot. Well, not loot, I don't have that much loot, but I just started, I had my pockets empty with Bob. So if you didn't know, I'm actually home from Central Parks, which I always miss Central Park. So I'm gonna do like a Jaden and Odd Ones Out style animation thingy video to like tell you all about my holiday there. So I'm probably gonna do it like tomorrow or something. So don't miss it, because it'll be a good one. Trust me. Well, it mightn't be, because it mightn't be tomorrow, because it'll take a while to, like, you know, draw the character. I won't make it literally what I look like, so try, like, change it up a bit. Is that? Okay, that cat is swimming in lava. And I'm not gonna question it. Are we? No. How it's there and why it's there is a mystery, and that can never be solved. Ooh, ores. Some rubies on ice. Oh, come on! My first. Oh, diamonds! There's me complaining about lava, and I find diamonds. At least I'm not strip mining. That will take it out. Anyway, there's a boulder here. It's much smaller than Minecraft's. I might have to go to the surface and get some dirt to clear up all that lava. So I was when I was doing the other upload that was too long, I made this joke about my pickaxe that for April Fools you should like retexture all the really powerful pickaxes and just turn them into lawnmowers. Because, like, see, I'm just mowing this place to the ground. Okay, I can't drink it yet. I wish you could, like, sell potions. They make money, right? Well, they look expensive, like. No, don't fall in lava. Holy. Ah! What did I tell me? What did I tell myself? Not to fall in lava. There I go, falling into lava. Pressing cap locks instead of A. How many times have you guys misclicked a button? Like, you're meant to click W, but you just press 2 or something? Because that happens to me a lot. Builder. I'm Bob the Builder now, boys. I'll be working with my machines. Vroom vroom. The theme song for this game is actually quite like vibing. It's really like vibe. Okay, cleared out that part of the lab. No. That no was really excessive and loud. Like, no! So, here I am, covering up lava. You would not want to do this. Imagine doing this in real life, you'd be scalded to death. It'd be like a biscuit that's just been charred to a crisp while it's in the oven. That's what it would feel like. the one biscuit that the person who was making the biscuits overcooked, and it's just stuck it in the oven for another 10 minutes. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Oh, the red! Yes! I love the red stuff. It's people when after they go for a jog. Yeah, in this one you actually see the mining animation. Oh, come on. Bob time. How long did it take him to decide for the name Bob? Oh my god, I could actually get that backpack! The blue backpack, remember? Pause the game. Save. Actually, never mind. I'm not just gonna do... I'll save at the end of the video. So if I do accidentally lose my progress, I can or just lose the video of me playing this game, I can always just look back and just type in the code and just hope it works. Yeah, well, you can type in the code if you want, but no way you can't actually, so that I'm not gonna show you that. I'm like, oh god, I might actually be able to change my save progress, so just imagine a really overpowered player just gets me the best loot, so then I just can't continue the series. So I made a promise. Once I get every overpowered item, the series is done. I'm never doing this game again. Well, I wouldn't say I'm never ever going to do the game again, but I could come back to it every once in a while, for visits. To visit the game. Of memories of playing it to you guys. I hate the lava in this game. Oh my god, I have dirt. In these situations, dirt is your best friend. I'm not a noob, everyone. I'm not a Minecraft noob. I just find that dirt is really not really bad and not valuable, so it's the one you want to build with. So you don't waste really good materials just to lose them to the lava. No one wants to do that. If you've done that, sad. 15 dirt won't win. Bricks won't stop us. The things that actually pop up with the mining screen. Okay. Let's keep mining, boys. Or placing, whatever. I've run out of dirt. Hate lava in this game. If anyone else hates lava, you're with me on the anti-lava team. Hey, you know what? While I think of it, I'm gonna heal up. Okay, back to spawn. Come on, Bob, just give me the necessary materials. Guys, I think we've done it. Yes, we have. Cha-ching! Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, that's a lot. Never unlocked that. No. Spawn. More dirt. Dirt is necessary. Isn't it? Well, for this situation, the lava situation, it's necessary. For anything else, it's not. So once I finish clearing up the lava, I'm probably just gonna sell all the dirt. I'll probably end the episode there because I cannot deal with how much lava. Okay, I've just flat out mined the land. There is no. I'm just causing apocalypse. No more grass. Only on that side because I can't reach. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's like land. Yes, right there. Okay, I shouldn't even be pretty sure. There's just land everywhere. Oh yeah, I have some souvenirs from Central Park that I'm gonna be unboxing with you guys. So I have like, oh, I'm not gonna spoil because I'm gonna record it once this stuff gets here. Which you might like, you should like, because what I get is epic. It's not Pokemon cards this time, I swear. Okay. That's not a full box. That could have been it. I could have died right there. It's not hardcore mode, so once I go back to the surface, I'm ending it then and there. I'm surprised I got the backpack in this episode. I was not thinking that would happen. Maybe the recording that was too long just like gave me a hand with that. Okay, I can't comprehend anything else now. I've had enough of this game for today. Okay, so, you know the drill. Smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!